Welcome to Community Arts. Today we'll be doing framed butterflies. To start, choose a butterfly template and with a pencil, trace your template on 2 pieces of paper. Color in both butterflies with markers, and use a black marker to outline and draw in any details. You can also use a white gel pen to add a little more detail on the edges. With a pair of scissors, cut out both butterflies and set them aside. Next, to make the frame, grab 4 craft sticks. Place 2 glue dots at both ends of a craft stick. Then repeat the step one more time with another craft stick. You will place the end of one craft stick on top of the glue dots, press together to help secure it, and repeat until you have completed your frame. Next, grab your string and tape one end to the middle of a craft stick. Hold the other end tightly and tape to the middle of the other craft stick. Then cut off any excess string. With your butterflies, glue the back of both butterflies. Then place one behind the string. The design should be facing down. Then glue the other butterfly on top, sandwiching the string in between both of them.